Hello, hi, namaste. I welcome you all to my channel. Myself Raju Hegde. Today we are going to learn about tuning and evaluating the model. We have few considerations related to model evaluation. Parameter tuning. Parameters are options used to tweak an algorithm settings, much like tuning a radio for the right frequency channel. Different algorithms have different parameters for tuning. Needless to say, model's accuracy suffers when its parameters are not suitably tuned. These parameters are different with the different machine learning model. We will see these parameters in detail with each algorithm with example in the coming videos. But these parameters are very much important to increase the accuracy of the model. This much we'll remember. Evaluating the result. After building a model, it must be evaluated. Evaluation metrics are used to compare how accurate models are in their predictions. These metrics differ in how they define and penalized different types of prediction error. In the classification, we have classification matrix. We have percentage of correct predictions. The most simplistic definition of prediction accuracy is the proportion of predictions that proved to be correct. The proportion of predictions that proved to be correct. Confusion matrix provide further insight into where our prediction model succeeded and where it failed. The most used evaluation method is confusion matrix for classification. For example, in this table, system predicted true negative and true positive. You can see only true negative and true positive. System predicted 150, 100 and here 100 and here 150. 150 numbers correctly and false negative and false positive. 15 numbers wrongly. We will cover in detail about confusion matrix, ROC curve and type of errors in my coming video. What is true negative, what is true positive, false negative. So we will cover in detail about this because this is very much essential for your further career and is most asked question in the interview. Another metric we use is regression metric. Root mean squared error. In the linear regression, we must have you must have noticed, and we have mentioned about root mean square error. As regression predictions use continuous values, errors are generally quantified as difference between predicted and actual values, with penalties varying with the magnitude of error. The root mean square error is a popular regression metric and is particularly useful in cases where we want to avoid large errors. Each individual error is squared, thus amplifying large errors. This renders the RMSE extremely sensitive to outliers, which severely penalized. In linear regression we have noticed that whenever we have outliers, more outliers, will have large errors. Even though metrics do not give complete picture of model performance, for that we have validation. Validation is an assessment of how accurate a model is in predicting new data. Instead of waiting for new data, what we can do is we can split the data into two parts: training dataset and testing dataset. Training dataset to generate and tune the prediction model, while the second part would act as proxy for new data and be used as a test dataset to assess the model prediction accuracy. So instead of sending a model for direct deployment, we can use this method to validate the model. So this is all about tuning and evaluation. In my next video, we'll see how the testing and validating the model. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video.